Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to permanently remove Incognito Mode in Google Chrome. So without being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So I am on my iPhone, and this also works for a computer or laptop device or an Android device. So for example, I've started the Incognito tab here, and if I just click on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen, or just click on the one icon which says one or how many tabs you have opened, just click on the middle option here at the top of the screen. It's going to be similar on other devices as well. And now just don't open Incognito Mode, and this is going to turn off Incognito Mode from your Google Chrome permanently. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.